Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Jenny Penton, founder of Planner Perfect. I coach women how to write a better story through scripting. Today's video, I'm actually going to be sharing and doing with you how to create your own little beautiful Bible charm to enhance your devotional time. I absolutely love it. My daughter, Bella, is the one who was making it with her girlies. And I was like, what in the world? I have to make this too. So I made it and I love it. I put it in my current Bible that I'm using and I absolutely love it. I'm going to actually make one with you for one of my Bibles because I have like a million. I'm going to show you my Bible stack. It'll blow your mind. I collect them like shoes. But you know, if it's wrong, I don't want to be right. I mean, it's like I love collecting Bibles and like each one has like some significance to it when I got it and why I got it. And so anyway, love it, love it, love it. Let's get started. This is just where I'm holding all my beads. I wanted to show you that up close too. Look at how cute this is. You've got, this is like a sterling silver, like a silver cross, and then their beads, they have like hope, love, and all of that. I'll give you a closer look at that. And then this I just got, and since it's kind of close to the 4th of July here, but I got this bag from, and then I bought this separate, but I got this from Target, you know, of course. And I love it. I just keep the beads in here. So if you want to make a Bible charm that looks so cute and just kind of, you know, like you're not literally just walking in to get a nice coffee and do your Bible study or, you know, meet some girls for a Bible study with just a Bible. You have a Bible and a charm. So anyway, if you want to make one of these, which I think is so cute, then stay tuned. Let's go ahead and do it. I'm going to flip you around and we're just going to dive right in. Okay, you guys, here we are to make our very own beautiful charm. I wanted to show you up close how this looks. We've got faith, we got little faith beads. I wanted all different colors too. Love that. And then of course I've got a sterling, like a silver cross, and then I've got even a wooden cross going in from the side and then through the middle for this one, which I thought this one was really important to me that it went down the middle because I wanted that kind of a look. So anyway, there's this here, and I'm using this bag currently as for all my beads. And I've got like, there's my crosses that go through the top. And then I've got the other crosses that go through. These ones can sometimes get a little tricky now. I got these at Hobby Lobby, and like the crosses were separate. The silver ones were separate. And then these here at Hobby Lobby were separate. So like the word balls. So blessed, hope. And then there's even, you know, also like this one broke actually, good grief, but a brown cross and an orange. So it's got those earth tones. Love it, love it, love it. And then we've got ourselves some twine that I wanted, and all different color and sizes of balls too, which oh, okay, goodbye. But like here, how they're different sizes and then also different colors. So let's go ahead and make one. I'm going to do it for this one, this Bible here. It's kind of like its little companion size. And I love it when I just feel like being in this, then I will, you know what I'm saying? So and what we would do is all you're doing is you're putting it either in the middle, or in this one, I had put it right here in the front. And actually, let me see about putting it in the middle, because to make it a little tighter maybe. Yeah. Yeah, like, let's just see. Okay. That's what I'm talking about. Either way, honestly. But I think it's kind of even more secure there in the center. Either way, I'm freaking in love with this. So there's that. Okay, so here we go. Now we're going to, what I'm doing is just measuring out first how much I would need. So I would find out how much I need, and then I'll cut it off. I want to make sure I've got plenty to tie without having to like strain. So I think this will be good. Totally. So then we pick out our beads, and let's see, I definitely still want a silver one. Now the other one I used just an orange cross. I'm going to use one of these and then a dark one. See if I can find one. Here we go. Wait. See, love, love, love. Then I have one of these, and maybe, I don't think I'll need more than that. Let's go. Now the other beads I got that had words. So let's pick out our word ones now. Got that. I didn't use blessed, I don't think, last time. The B is off on that. I'm going to do faith and love again, and might as well take these two because I will want these. Even like super teeny ones, I mean, let's do it if I can not have to work so hard at it. I don't want to. Wait, is this a good, there, this blessed ball looks like all the letters are intact. Let's see, I want some more of the cream colored balls in here. So I have other little ones, but I definitely want the bigger ones. Okay, I don't know. I think we might have what we need. And then we can add, oh, I like these brown ones with kind of like a marble. Okay, just want to make sure we have options. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this. Don't run away from me. Thank you. So we're going to get our bead on and then do a small, and thank heavens these are really easy. Also, you'll find that like at Hobby Lobby, they'll have like, there were some like that my daughter had where I'll try to get an image from her and put it in this video here, but that it had, it was more like little charms. So like, I think it was like a Bible charm, super cute. I just wasn't feeling it for me, but I'm going to show you what other options were there if that's what you would want to do with yours. Now let's go ahead and do one hanging across. Look at that next to the dark bead. Already in love. Already in love. And then let's do two more and then the other. So a big one and then a more medium one. And then another cross. Good thing they drilled these holes in good, because we don't need to stress. Okay, then I'm going to do a teeny one. Then a dark one. Hopefully I wasn't out of the frame on some of these, but wouldn't it be fun though to make these as gifts? I literally am making some for my grandsons because they would love it. Now, since I'm already on track with crosses like that, I'm going to go through the top here and get this one in. That can be like the center stage. And I think I did that for mine already. So where it's kind of like in the center. So I love it. Okay, now got our crosses. Let's do then a couple more where then we will do a faith ball. So we can kind of keep kind of the theme going a little bit with how things are trending. So this one, I guess we'll do love. Really cute. And then maybe a smaller bead, and then an even smaller bead. Then we should probably measure it. Like, where are we at with this? Oh, we're right at it. And look it was like, you know, I will have to say, do I care that this crosses are, you know what I wish I would have did? Nope. I have to have this cross before that one. I'm sorry. You're going to watch me crack in real time. I mean, my apologies, but this is how this girl functions. But okay, let's just do it right. I mean, if you're not going to do it right, don't do it at all. You know, but I guess that's subjective. Okay, so there's that. Now I'm going to do the 2 beads. I need to actually get to the store and get, like, listen, my golden doodle, he's a little feisty and he kind of needs a trainer because he has he wants to kill Amazon drivers and anyone that comes to the door. And having said that, I have a groomer coming to the house and he's already completely ticked off. Like, he's like, you touch me and watch what I can do. And so I'm a little nervous. She's like, well, I can muzzle him. I'm like, God, we've come to that, you know. And so girls, I'm going to go, well, I know he needs a trainer. I mean, he does. But I might even do it myself. He's just scared, so he tries to scare people with his bark. He's not bit people by any means, but he does, he'll go after your shirt if he needs to. Like, get off my property, you weirdo. But, and then if you chase him, he'll like pee. So that's what we're dealing with. Okay, now hold on. I got to make sure that, okay, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 after it. So 1, 2, 3. Sorry, I have to. So today I think I'm going to like go get my own clippers and see if I can do it myself. Because he'll sit forever for me. And I just worry about him. He's such a scaredy and he stresses out and I just don't want that for him. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This could potentially and should be something other than, but that's okay. Could always put it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, we could just do that. I feel much more happier with this. Don't you? I mean, like, this at least has, like, look at that. Freaking out. That's gorgeous. I'm sorry. It's gorgeous. Okay. I don't want to get the beads too much on the sides, but we'll see if I need it or not. Okay, but I'm just going to go into the front to make it, to make it easy. Try to do a fish knot. I know my husband's taught me how to do this before. I mean, it's not hard, but for some reason I can't remember, like, wait, do I go this way? Okay, over, and then I went over that on the top, and then this, I need another finger, and then the other one will be the other way, so. I do believe I did that right to keep this like a nice secure. Okay. Voila! I love it. I love it, 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 love it. You're like, hey, Sarah, do you want to go? Or she's like, hey, Jenny, you want to go do a Bible study with me? I'm like, Sarah, what are you nuts? Of course I do. I'll bring this Bible. Let's go. And then I'll bring one of my commonplace traveler's notebooks, and I'm like freaking set. Or, hello, I would be bringing maybe and I'm going to cut this. I did that on purpose so I could just cut the excess. Then I'm cleaning it all up. It's done. Good to go. There you go, you guys. Cute little Bible charms for your Bible. Wish me luck today as I try to groom my own dog. And I'll see you at the next video.